It is 6:45 right now. A new event will allow visitors to explore the Titanic through the eyes of the passengers.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. Shane Wells is getting a first look for us this morning at Royalston Square in Minneapolis. Good morning, Shane.
Walk through and you'll see artifacts from the ship. You'll learn about some of the passengers on the ship and see some things like what the grand dining room there would look like. That was one that was said to be for kind of those first class passengers. And we have Kendra Tokes with us. She is going to take us on this little voyage this morning, and we're kind of in front of this grand staircase, which I love too. Thank you for being here.
Of course, thanks for having me, Shane.
I know you officially open up tomorrow, but give us the scoop on this Titanic experience.
Well, this is so much more than an exhibit. This is truly an immersive voyage through one of history's most fascinating events that still fascinates us to this day. We get to recreate all of the interior of the boat. We're gonna walk, one of the rooms we're about to walk in right now, it's so immersive. You feel like you're floating. We're gonna feel like we're underwater a little bit. We've got a VR experience where you can, again, feel like you are on the boat. It's a great way. We've recreated so many of the rooms. We have over 300 artifacts, as you said, both from the Titanic ship and the Titanic movie. We are going to get to know some of the passengers, some of the crew, because, you know, I think that is one of the reasons why the Titanic still resonates with us so much. There were so many people on board just like us that are a lot of immigrants, a lot of people in search of a better life. It's really interesting, and I think that's why those stories still resonate with us today. And as I said, this is the room we're in right now. This is one of our immersive rooms. This is a boat, and we were in here earlier. We were kind of feeling like we were rocking a little bit, Shane. I was feeling like I needed to take a Dramamine. Yeah, it's truly, you get to touch, feel, hear. It's truly immersive. It's a lot more than just sitting at the movie theater.
Yeah, and reading those stories. As I'm walking through too, it feels that it's part historic exhibit, part, like you were saying, this kind of newer with the graphics, and that it's surrounding you here, so you kind of get a little of both worlds.
Right. I mean, I don't know if you're familiar with some of Exhibition Hub's other immersive experiences, like Dinos Alive, and we had a Vincent van Gogh, and we have so many immersive experiences. I think the thing with Titanic, it's so much fun to recreate and kind of get to live it all again, and to marry the history with the technology. It's so interesting, and it gives us an opportunity to kind of feel like we were there. And the Titanic story, it's so emotional as well. And I love that when you walk in, when you walk in, we give you a boarding pass that has a different passenger's name. And at the end of the exhibition, we have a wall that has all of the passengers' names, and you can kind of go through and find out your passenger. And I mean, again, it's very emotional, you know, because it's like, these are the people that survived. These are the people that did not survive. So, yeah, it's marrying the history with the technology, bringing it into today, and it's just a really different experience. I think that so many of us loved the movie so much, so getting to experience it in this way is just really interesting for all of us.
If people want to come and check this out, this does open up officially tomorrow. It's going to be here through the holidays. Royalston Square, brand new. I'm going to still call it new because it's still new in our minds here, just about a year old or so. Kendra, thank you for the tour. We're going to be here throughout the morning, so we will show you more because, as you said, there's several rooms to go through and learn more about the Titanic. Back to you guys.
Really cool.
Wow, that is so fascinating.
Thank you, Shane.
Thank you, Shane.
You were saying you've seen the movie.
Oh my gosh, it's one of my favorite movies
30 times or something?
Ever. I watch it like once a week.
Okay.
No, seriously.
This is your spot.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I got to check it out. All right, there we go.
Were you wowed by that? I was wowed by that too. He's like, I've watched it so many times. I think I've maybe seen it twice.
I was wowed, yes.
Okay, yeah.
My Titanic story is odd in that there was when I saw the movie, even though I was tuned in to the movie world back then, Susan and I accidentally went to the premiere of Titanic. We stumbled by accident into the Washington, D.C. premiere of Titanic. By total accident. We happened to be in the right place at the right time. There happened to be spots available in Washington, D.C. We happened to be downtown. We happened to be going by.
You know, oddly, this tracks. I mean, I'm not